I'm doing another property tour today, and we are at 1636 East Pleasant Court on the north side of town. So this property is in the Viewpoint Estates community, and what people love about living here is that it's gated. There are pickleball courts as well as a community pool, and on top of that, the HOA dues are only $240 a quarter. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, just over 2,300 square feet. It has a beautiful backyard, a casita, and a 100-foot deep garage. And I can't wait to give you the full tour, so come along. What I love about this community is that it's off of London Bridge Drive, but the home itself sits about 3/4 of a mile away. So it's nice and quiet, you're away from the traffic noise, plus it's tucked away in a cul-de-sac, which adds even more privacy. So I think it's worth mentioning that this house has fully owned solar panels, and the electricity bill has been $0 all year. And who doesn't love efficiency and saving money, am I right? So for the interior, the main part of the house features 3 bedrooms, with the 4th bedroom being the casita, which is out by the garage across from the pool. So when you first walk in, you saw those first 2 bedrooms with a bathroom, and then right here is the laundry room off of the hallway. And then I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of the garage, but we'll get to the full tour of that later. Okay, so now moving on to the main living space. I don't think I did a great job at capturing the 15-foot tall ceilings, but they really do make the space feel so much bigger. And with the oversized island in the pantry here in the kitchen, the built-in fireplace in the living room, the automatic shades, and the pocket sliding glass door that goes out to the patio, this is really just the perfect spot for entertaining or just relaxing at home. Since it was built in just 2022, you don't have to worry about a 40-year-old roof or outdated appliances. Everything is only a few years old, so you can just move in and enjoy it with a peace of mind. All right, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video in peace, but don't stop watching just yet. You still need to check out the backyard, the casita, and of course, the 100-foot deep garage. right, and that is the tour. So I think that the perfect buyer for this house is going to be somebody that wants an oversized garage, but not necessarily an oversized house. And at just 2,300 square feet, it's still very livable and easily maintainable. And then with the casita that's detached from the main part of the house, you still have that separation and that privacy that a lot of people are looking for. So if you think that this might be you, and if you have any questions or if you want to do a private tour, I would be happy to help. So shoot me a message and let's make it happen.